My name is David Smiley, and I'm a Solr Search Expert, and I'm here to tell Unilog's customers about search in SIM2 and where it's going and what we've done. My presentation basically has two parts. I'm starting off with search background, because a lot of people don't necessarily know that much about search, or they know about it from Google, because everybody knows about that, but not necessarily about the bigger picture of search technologies with other things. So I'm going to start talking about that, and then about something called Apache Solr, which is a search server that has best of breed search capabilities and it's extremely popular. So that's kind of like the first half. And then I'll get to basically how does SIM2 use Solr to get search. And not only how is it using it, how will it use it in the future, our transitions to an architecture I'm working to get us towards, and certain search features that are on the horizon, some that are experimental phase and future phase. I think that pretty much covers it. I think it's important to have an understandanding of how things work. See, I'm a geek, so it's just intrinsic for me to want to know how everything works. So I'm hopeful that there's some of that in the audience of just saying, how does this work anyway? What's going on behind the scenes? And I also might get an appreciation for the different things that we balance, because sometimes it can be frustrating. Why doesn't this work yet? Like, well, we have to balance, say, precision versus recall, which I'll briefly cover, and also. I'm going to cover a little bit towards the very, very end anyway of what you can do. In other words, if you're a client, you've got this search product, your hands are not completely tied, you can help yourself to some degree. I'm going to get into that a little bit. And I think they might get excited about, like, hey, search might be okay right now, but it's going to be like pretty awesome in the future because of these reasons. So I think that's some exciting stuff. That's honestly great just to see clients, users, and hear about what's going on, what's not going well, anything. I just really relish the opportunity, and to speak to my clients, Unilog here too, of course. SIM2 is evolving.